Hey everyone! Welcome back to Know Your AI, your go-to channel for everything AI and tech. Today we're diving into a controversial yet fascinating topic: 10 things that AI will destroy forever. AI is advancing at an unprecedented speed, and while it's making our lives easier, it's also threatening to wipe out certain things permanently. We're talking industries, systems, and even concepts we thought would last forever. Let's get started. Let's start with the elephant in the room: jobs. AI is already automating repetitive tasks, and soon, millions of traditional jobs will vanish. Think about it. Factory workers replaced by robotic arms, cashiers replaced by self-checkout kiosks. But here's the kicker: AI isn't stopping there. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are getting crazy good at understanding what we want and providing solutions. AI-powered software is coming for white-collar professions like accounting and legal research. The workforce of the future will need to adapt fast, because the skills we're learning today might be obsolete tomorrow. Remember the days when you had to wait on hold for hours, listening to terrible elevator music just to speak to a customer service agent? Yeah, those days are numbered. AI chatbots and virtual assistants like ChatGPT, Siri, and Google Assistant are taking over. They can answer basic questions, direct your calls, and even crack a joke or two. Businesses are already jumping on board because AI is available 24/7, doesn't need coffee breaks, and can handle multiple customers at once without breaking a sweat. Picture this: you're back in school, but instead of a blackboard and a teacher with chalk-covered fingers, you've got interactive screens, virtual reality field trips, and AI tutors tailoring lessons to your exact learning style. AI is replacing traditional education methods with personalized learning platforms that make learning more efficient and engaging. They can grade your assignments instantly, provide real-time feedback, and even detect when you're struggling with a concept. In the future, AI-powered education might make conventional schooling, with its one-size-fits-all approach, a thing of the past. Let's be real, in the age of the internet and smartphones, the idea of true privacy was already fading faster than a Snapchat message. But with AI entering the picture, it's pretty much game over. AI-powered surveillance systems, facial recognition technology, and data tracking algorithms are watching your every move. Social media platforms track every like, share, and comment. All of this data is being collected and analyzed by AI to predict your behavior, target you with ads, and even influence your decisions. And while some people might argue that this technology is being used to keep us safe, the question remains, at what cost? This one's a bit of a mind-bender. AI is now capable of writing books, composing music, and even creating digital artwork that rivals human artists. Tools like Midjourney and DALL-E for art and ChatGPT for writing are making waves in the creative world. But this raises a big question. Will there be a future where no content is truly original anymore? Remember when you used to carry a wallet full of cash? Yeah, me neither. We're already moving towards a cashless society, and AI is putting the pedal to the metal. Digital banking, cryptocurrency, and AI-driven financial management are making traditional banking about as relevant as a floppy disk. AI is making the financial world go digital, and there's no turning back. Let's be honest, when was the last time you went to a mall just to browse? E-commerce was already putting the squeeze on physical retail stores, but AI is about to deliver the knockout punch. AI-powered online shopping experiences are just more personalized, more convenient, and let's be honest, a lot less exhausting than navigating a crowded mall. AI recommends products based on your browsing history, creating that "how did they know I wanted that" moment. The rise of AI means shopping is becoming faster, cheaper, and more convenient, but at the expense of thousands of retail jobs and the social experience of actually going shopping. Remember when self-driving cars were something out of Back to the Future? Well, the future is here. AI-powered vehicles from companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are no longer a novelty. They're sharing the road with us. This means that truck drivers, delivery drivers, and even taxi drivers could soon be out of work as autonomous vehicles take over our roads. The way we commute, travel, and even think about transportation is being revolutionized by AI. We live in a world where anyone with an internet connection can spread information, true or false, at lightning speed. AI is so advanced that it can generate incredibly realistic deepfake videos, fake news articles that mimic legitimate sources, and even completely fabricated social media accounts. But here's the twist: AI is also being used to fight back against misinformation. It's a race against time, a battle of AI versus AI. This is the big one, the question that keeps philosophers and scientists up at night. AI is fundamentally changing what it means to be intelligent. With AI handling complex calculations, conducting groundbreaking research, and even surpassing us in creative endeavors, what does that mean for the future of human intelligence? Future generations may rely on AI so much that critical thinking skills could decline. What happens when AI knows more than we do? It's a question we need to answer before it's too late. And there you have it. 10 things that AI will destroy forever. Some of these changes might excite you, a future of self-driving cars and personalized education. Others might make you a little uneasy, the end of privacy as we know it and the rise of AI that can create deceptively real fake content. Either way, one thing's for sure. AI is reshaping our world at an incredible pace and there's no turning back. Thanks for watching and see you in the next